This animation was created using just a simple prompt and 3 images, and I got the full result delivered with sound and music included. But this isn't the only magic trick of Seedance 2. Today, I'm not just going to show you how to make these kinds of animations, but also a bunch of different and interesting use cases for Seedance 2, because there are so many ways to use it that you probably won't find everywhere. So let's jump straight in, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This time I'm using Pollo AI to test Seedance 2, which you probably already know. And if you don't, it's basically an AI assistant for creating films, animations, and viral content with tons of use cases. I've actually covered it a few times in previous videos. Today, I'm using its latest update, which includes Seedance 2. Here, besides all the popular video generators, you also get access to Seedance models, including Seedance 2 and Seedance 2 Fast. You can use text to video, image to video, reference to video, and frames to video with these 2 models. Each shot can go up to 15 seconds, and it can also automatically generate music, sound effects, and dialogue. The interesting part is that in the reference to video feature, you can literally add any type of reference. Audio, video, image, or text, it doesn't matter. Seedance 2 analyzes them based on your prompt and uses them exactly the way you want. For example, check this out. A video was used as a reference, and based on a simple prompt, only the camera movement was captured. Image references were also used to build the environment, and the result's insane. It basically nailed exactly what was requested. This Seedance 2 video reference feature is super powerful, and it has a lot of other use cases too. For example, you can very precisely copy the structure of a video and create a new version of it for yourself with new characters, different lighting, colors, and visuals. Take a look at this one. It beautifully analyzes the reference video and generates a completely new version. And just to be clear, it's not simply copying. It actually understands the full structure and then rebuilds everything based on your prompt and references. Let's test this one together. I already had a similar video, so I'm using it as a reference here. I want to recreate it as an animated version with a new style based on this image reference. After writing a simple prompt, I customize the settings. For example, I set the duration to 10 seconds and choose the aspect, ratio, and resolution. I can also fully delegate sound generation to Seedance 2. Let's see the result. Honestly, it's amazing. There's really not much left to say. Creating an animated version of this with this level of accuracy would normally take days, but Seedance 2 did it in just a few minutes. The precision, intelligence, and overall quality are just next level. Here, thanks to Pollo AI's wide range of tools, you can easily edit this video in different ways. For example, you can change its style, add lip sync, or do a bunch of other things you can experiment with. Another insane feature of Seedance 2 is multi-shot video generation, and it actually performs really well. You can even give it a full shooting script like this example, including shot timing, camera movement, and character actions. Then you just write a simple prompt and boom, you get a viral trailer or cinematic video. Seedance 2 understands complex scripts really well and executes them properly, but beyond hyper-realistic scenes, it's also honestly amazing for animation. I want to test the multi-shot feature with a relatively simple script and animated characters. I highly recommend providing character reference sheets for better consistency. I gave it a fully detailed script with camera movements and timing, and set everything up as you can see. And in the end, it delivered this result just like that. I also see a few issues in it. just like you probably would. But overall, I could say it gave me an amazing result. And with a more precise prompt and better descriptions, you can fix all these small issues in the final video. For example, in this prompt, we should have put more focus on the type and speed of the creature's movements. Or for the main character, we could have clearly said that he should jump over the pit and then land exactly at the target point. So yeah, I definitely recommend spending more time on your prompts and really putting effort into them. It makes a big difference. So another use case is extending your video or animation in a super creative way, and this is actually really powerful. Seedance 2 doesn't just stretch the video duration, it actually builds a new narrative around a simple or even repetitive clip based on your prompt. This can be extremely useful for creating viral films and animations. The final feature I want to mention is its insane consistency, which is perfect for product advertising. It doesn't just keep the product shape stable, it also preserves colors, materials, and textures in a very realistic, lifelike way and generates incredible cinematic ad videos from it. You can generate your product images using Pollo AI's Pro Image Generator, which even gives you access to Nano Banana Pro. Then use those as references to create a clean, professional ad video. I can confidently say this. With Seedance 2, the whole world of filmmaking, animation, and content creation has seriously shifted. At this point, anyone working in this space kind of has to rethink their entire approach. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one. Stay creative.